waiting to board the Euro train to Paris. I'm super excited. It's pretty cool. It's like we at an airport. You know, as you guys seen the clips before, I showed y'all what's around here. Stuff you can buy stuff, get coffee, currency exchange. You know, that good old stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm on the train. So I'm aboard the train now, very comfortable. I sat in economy, and right now what I'm showing you is the cafe. So right above here in this clip is an icon, and it'll be pointing to the direction of where the cafe is located at on the train. The cafe offers a variety of breakfast sandwiches and cold beverages. I did not get any because I made sure I ate before I boarded the train. And also, each cart has a restroom, so you don't have to worry about there only being one restroom in the entire train. All right, guys, so we officially arrived at the terminal, Paris Gare du Nord. Excuse me, I know I butchered that word. Don't kill me in the comments. At first, when we got off the train, I was a bit intimidated because that's when I knew, like, oh my gosh, I am in Paris. Everything was in French. Interesting fact, they charge you for the restroom once you exit the train and you are in the terminal. To use a restroom costs €1. I was surprised because I never knew a place to charge you for the bathroom. But it was pretty interesting because right beside the bathroom, they sell beverages and little travel-sized products that you may have forgotten before you got to Paris. So that's a helpful thing. Now, let's talk about cost. To board the train from London to Paris, I paid €358, but in US money, it's $458.06. Also, the price varies from day to day and how far in advance you book. I booked in the middle of the week. We left on a Tuesday, so that played a factor. So just keep that in mind. The prices changes daily. Sometimes they have prices as low as €50 from what I was told from the local natives that live out there. So just be on the lookout for that and always check the prices daily. It's just like a flight. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the footage I got of the Eurostar London to Paris train ride. It was a nice, comfortable ride. We did economy. They have business class and I think premier, but it's okay with economy. You know, it wasn't bad. It was about like 4-hour ride. So right now we're in the Uber going to our hotel. I'll be sure to catch footage of that in a separate video, of course. So I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check up with you guys in a bit. Bye.